Hey guys, welcome back to Poke Army. My right foot is in Nevada and my left foot is in Arizona. And I'm on top of the Hoover Dam over the Colorado River. And today, I'm going to be opening up this Surging Sparks booster pack. But first, let's get inside. Okay guys, and we are inside the power plant of the Hoover Dam. Green and white go-kart.
Come on inside, folks.
Fighting
Got plenty
energy.
of room for everyone here. So wherever you find an open
Pants
spot
here.
along the railing, you'll take that spot.
Or anchor.
The most important thing here now, though,
Full
folks, is
pics.
we start taking those photos now.
Swablu.
Because after the presentation, we will
Jasmine's
not have
Gaze.
any go any further. Welcome to the
Xerneas.
Nevada Week of the Hoover Dam Power Plant.
Terra Orb.
Now we're on the right-hand side.
A
of that
reverse
big
hollow
road that is at the
Citadel.
base of the dam. Looking straight
A
ahead,
reverse hollow Flapple. And a hollow Serrano. Wow. Okay guys, make sure to like and subscribe.